Okay, let's continue with the next example, newspaper recycling. Okay, each month an American household generates an average of 28 pounds. So we have here average is equal to 28 pounds of newspaper for garbage or recycling. Assume that standard deviations is equal to 2 pounds. If household is selected at random, find the probability of its generating between. So this question is about between 27 and 31. So first, step 1, draw the normal distribution curve. So because of the questions ask you this to search for between. So first of all, let's take a look 28. So this one is 28. So sorry. So draw again. First of all, draw the mean value first, 28. Okay. So because of it is between 27. So let's say this is 27. And here is 31. So the area under the curve that we need to search is between 27 and 31. Okay. So the second one is step 2. Find the Z values. So how to find the Z values? We use this formula, Z equal to X minus mu over standard deviation. So X here, so we have two X value here. The first one is X1 and this one is X2. So the first one is let's say we say this one is Z1, X1 minus mu over standard deviation. And then Z2, X2 minus mu over standard deviation. So try to search for X1 first. So X1 is equal to 27 minus 28 over 2. So you will get negative 0.5. Okay, and then the second X2 is 31 minus 28 over 2. So you will get 1.5. Okay, so Z1, so here Z1 is negative 0.5 and this one is 1.5. So the step 3 is to find the area under the curve. So area between Z equal to negative 0.5 and Z equal to 1.5. So let's take a look on the table E. So Z equal to 1.5. So 1.5 is 0.9332. Okay. Z equal to negative 0.5, negative 0.5 here. 0.3085. So when you draw the bell-shaped curve, you can see that this one is Z equal to negative 0.5, this area starting from here, 0.3085. And this one, 1.5, starting from here also, 0.9332. So now we want to search for this area between. So how to search for this area? Take this area, the whole area, minus with this area, you will get this area. Okay? So when you minus it, 0.8332 minus 0.3085, you will get 0.6247. So you can say that 0.6247 is equal to 92%. So the probability is equal to 62%. Okay. Okay, let's take a look on the next example. This example is less than, okay, the same example. Same example as the first example. Okay, look at this example. Police Academy. Okay, the qualifier of a police academy candidates must score in the top 10% on the general abilities test. The test has a mean of 200 and standard deviation of 20. Find the lowest possible scores to qualify. Assume the test score are normally distributed. Okay, right now, the last three examples, they gave us the value of z. Sorry, they gave us the value of x. Okay, we need to find the value of z. And then we're going to find the area under the curve, area under the curve, and you will get the percentage. So now these equations, they gave us the percentage, they gave us the value of mean, value of standard deviations. You need to find the value of x. Okay. Candidates score top 10%. Okay, for the ability test. Alright. And then we have mean is equal to 200, standard deviations is equal to 20. Find the lowest possible score. So first of all, we need to step 1, draw the normal distribution curve. Okay, so when you draw this normal distribution curve, you can see that mean is equal to 200, and then x value is equal to what? We don't know. And lowest possible score is equal to 10%. So 10% equal to what? 0.1. Okay. Okay. And then step 2, we already know the area under the curve here is equal to 0.1. Okay, so 0.1 refer to this area. So when you want to look at the z value in the table, so we need to find this area. So this area is equal to what? This area is equal to 1 minus with 0.1. Okay, equal to 0.9. So where to find this 0.9? Look at the table. For 0.9, we need to search inside here. So you need to find the nearest possible area under the curve equal to 0.9. Okay, 0.9. Okay, look at here. We have this one. Okay, this one 0.9 also 0.9. and this one 0.9. Okay, which one is the nearest? The most nearest one compared to this one and this one, and also this one. So the most nearest one is is this one. So meaning that our z value is equal to 1.28. Okay, so our z value is equal to 1.28. Okay, so okay, look at here. This one is 0.9. So how to search for the nearest value? Okay, try this one. 0.9015. 0.9, you will get 0.0015. Okay, for this one, 0.9 minus 0.8997. Okay, you will get 3000. So the least number is this one. So that's why we choose this value, 0.9887. So 0.8997 is equal to Z 1.28. Okay, so because of the formula, okay, we already know the just take it here, put the value here, the Z value here is equal to 1.28. Okay, we know that the formula is equal to Z equal to X minus with mu divided by standard deviation. So we already know the value for Z, we already know the value for mean, and we already know the value for standard deviation. So we need to search for this value. So how to search for this value? X equal to Z minus mu, standard deviation okay, Z plus with mu. Okay, or you can say that, okay, right, this one. Okay, now we already know the value for mean is equal to 200 plus with 20 plus with 1.28, and then you will get 200 plus with so the total, okay, so the total this one 200 plus 220 times with 1.28, you will get 225.60. Okay, am I correct? Correct, okay, so 225.60 equal to 226. So yeah, so this is the answer. So okay, look at this one. The first one is step 1. We need to draw. Step 2, try to search for the Z value. And then step 3, find the X value. And then you will get 226. Okay.